Number 1 is 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera. The 4G LTE Cellular Security Camera is an advanced solution for round-the-clock surveillance in 2024. With impressive features and cutting-edge technology, it stands as the ultimate choice for those in search of reliable 24-hour recording capabilities. This outdoor security camera boasts a wide-angle lens, providing a 105 degrees field of view, ensuring expansive coverage for monitoring your property. Its pan and tilt functionality sets it apart, allowing for a 355 degrees horizontal and 95 degrees vertical view adjustment. Enhanced nighttime surveillance is achieved with 4 upgraded spotlights, delivering full-color night vision with exceptional clarity even in complete darkness, covering a range of up to 32 feet. It comes bundled with a 32 GB micro SD card, expandable up to 128 GB, ensuring ample storage capacity. It's important to note that for continuous recording, installing a micro SD card is necessary, as cloud storage is exclusively reserved for motion-triggered videos. It is also equipped with a 4G LTE connection, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted data transmission. It even comes with a prepaid nano-SIM card, providing 300 megabytes of complimentary trial data. Soliom offers a free 7-day trial for cloud storage, allowing you to choose the recording option that best suits your needs. With dimensions of 6.69 x 7.09 x 4.33 inches, this camera is compact and seamlessly integrates into your security setup without being obtrusive. If you're interested in this cellular security camera, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2.